Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see who viewed your TikTok video. If you're using TikTok and you want to check that who viewed your TikTok video or the post, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner and then select the video of which you want to see that who viewed your videos. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just select that and here just tap on this views option here. And here you just have to select views and you'll get who viewed your TikTok video. So here's an issue that you can only see some persons in your view. So if anyone have set it under privacy, so you'll not get in your view section. So you can see there are some viewers. So you can see that followers who turned on their viewer history settings and viewed your post within 7 days of the post data and date will be shown here. People you follow can also see that you viewed their post. You can turn this off anytime. So it means that the person who have enabled the setting of your post viewers, so you can get it here. Or if anyone have disabled the setting, you will not get this. And you get that person in your viewer setting. So in this way, you can easily see who viewed your TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.